znaleźli się dlatego, że ja tydzień temu byłam sama na Uniwersytecie w Milwaukee z wykładem o Kaszubach.
Jest to wymiana studentów między Uniwersytetem Gdańskim a Uniwersytetem Amerykańskim. W związku z tym przede wszystkim interesowała ich historia, ale i też jak funkcjonuje samorząd.
Feeling as if it is a community that I think was supported by a history that we got from Ola. And so now there's the reality after we've received information about the area.
I know that you get picked on a lot by your neighbors, but that you always fight really, really hard, and that's something I'm really proud of.
Profesor Helen Rosenberg już jest któryś raz z kolei, ale za każdym razem przyjeżdża nowa grupa studentów, którzy albo są zainteresowani historią Polski, albo mają jakichś przodków, którzy pochodzą z Polski lub z Kaszub.
My family, they'll say like "Nastrovia," and like when we drink, and
My family also comes from Poland, so
he's Kashubian.
yeah, I'm most likely Kashubian. My family came around the 1890s, so a bit of distance from the war. So I've always had a very strong Polish heritage. A lot of pierogies around Christmas time, a lot of kielbasa around Christmas time. So basically the same sense as he said, a lot of Polish pride.
Pytali mnie przede wszystkim o jedzenie. Widać było, że to jest bardzo ważny taki element kultury.
When I come back to the United States, I still have I have to go to different Polish restaurants because I still need to recall what a wonderful time we had here. So eating the Polish food makes me think about Poland and makes me feel comforted.
Z dużym zainteresowaniem spoglądali, poza tym zauważyli, że nasze miasta fajnie się rozwijają.
It's a very beautiful city, beautiful area. Very similar to home, weather-wise. So, like the snow, like the architecture and all the old buildings. So it's a very, very charming place.
And each time I learn something new, and I feel more welcome now than I did the last time. I feel more comfortable. And I know the next time I come will be a whole new experience for me again.
Dziękuję za wszystko.
Oh wow! Oh wow!
You were first.
Well, you know more than me. Dziękuję, and then what's good morning?
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.